Oh no. Holy.
Hail happens. When it's all said and done, there's really nothing you can do to stop an act of nature. But if your home has been affected by hail, then there's definitely something you can do about it. Renown Building Solutions is the most thorough and ethical contractor in the market today. Local, licensed, bonded, and insured. We are helping people just like you in Chicago's west suburbs document possible hail and wind damage to their homes. As a result from the recent storms, we're offering complimentary inspections, written reports, and forensic photo analytics that helps you have a full understanding of any storm damage along with the reconstruction process when needed. Because when your home goes through this,
they're almost baseballs.
then you need someone like us. Don't delay. We have representatives in your area today. So give us a call at 844-736-6961 or visit us online at renownbuildingsolutions.com. Renown Building Solutions, where construction and integrity finally meet.